This is a cordless electric air duster designed for powerful and reusable cleaning around the home and beyond. It features a high-speed motor rated up to 130,000 RPM, delivering strong airflow to blow away dust and debris without using disposable cans. I like that it has 3 adjustable speed gears, so you can choose lighter airflow for delicate electronics or stronger power for tougher cleaning jobs. It works great for things like computer towers, keyboards, laptops, and small electronics. But it's also useful for cleaning car interiors, vents, outdoor gear, and hard-to-reach corners. The compact mini blower design makes it easy to hold and maneuver. And since it's cordless, you're not tied to an outlet while cleaning. It's simple to recharge and ready whenever you need it. Overall, this electric air duster is a practical alternative to traditional compressed air cans. If you want a strong, adjustable, and reusable cleaning tool for electronics, home, and car use, this cordless air duster is a convenient option to have on hand.